If you are trying to choose between Mistral AI and Cloud AI, this video will help you quickly understand the differences. Both are powerful AI platforms, but they focus on different things. Mistral AI is known for open weight models, flexibility, and developer control. Cloud AI focuses more on safety, long form reasoning, and user friendly AI assistance. In this video, we'll compare their features, performance, pricing, pros, cons, and which one is better depending on your needs. What is Mistral AI? Mistral is a French AI company that builds open and commercial language models. It became popular because of models like Mistral 7B and Mistral, which offer strong performance while being lighter and more efficient than many competitors. A big advantage of Mistral AI is flexibility. Developers can run some of its models locally or integrate them into custom applications. It's mainly aimed at developers, startups, and businesses that want more control over AI deployment. What is Cloud AI? Cloud AI is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic. Cloud is designed to be helpful, safe, and excellent at handling long conversations and complex reasoning tasks. One of Cloudy's biggest strengths is its large context window, which allows it to analyze long documents, research papers, and large amounts of text more effectively than many other AI tools. Cloudy is popular among writers, researchers, businesses, and general users who want a polished AI assistant experience. Features comparison. Mistral AI features open weight model options, fast interface speeds, strong coding capabilities, API access for developers, local deployment support, efficient smaller models. Mistral is especially attractive for developers who want customization and lower infrastructure costs. Cloud AI features excellent long form reasoning, large context window, strong writing and summarization, clean and beginner friendly interface, good conversational accuracy, strong focus on AI safety. Cloudy works very well for content creation, research, brainstorming, and professional workflows. Performance comparison. When it comes to raw conversational experience, Cloudy usually feels more polished and natural for everyday users. It tends to give clearer explanations, better summaries, and more human like responses. Mistral AI performs very well in coding and technical tasks, especially considering its smaller and more efficient models. For developers building applications, Mistral can be a better option because it allows more flexibility and control. But for general productivity and long document analysis, Cloudy often has the advantage. Pricing. Mistral AI offers API pricing that is generally competitive and developer focused. Some of its open models can also be used locally, which may reduce long term costs. Cloud AI offers both free and paid plans, with premium access providing higher usage limits and access to stronger models. For casual users, Cloudy's free experience is easier to start with. For businesses and developers, Mistral may provide better flexibility and cost efficiency. Pros and cons. Mistral AI pros flexible deployment options, open weight models available, good for coding performance, efficient and lightweight, great for developers. Mistral AI cons less beginner friendly, smaller ecosystem compared to bigger AI platforms. Some features require technical knowledge. Cloud AI pros excellent writing quality, strong reasoning abilities, very user friendly, great for long documents, reliable conversational experience. Cloud AI cons less customizable, advanced usage can become expensive, not as open for local deployment. Which one should you choose? Choose Mistral AI if you are a developer, if you want more control over AI models, if you need local deployment options, if you prefer efficient and customizable AI systems. Choose Cloud AI if you want an easy to use AI assistant, if you work with writing or research, if you need strong long context analysis, if you prefer polished conversational responses. Final verdict and conclusion. Both Mistral AI and Cloudy are excellent, but they target different users. Mistral AI is better for developers and businesses that want flexibility and technical control. Cloudy AI is better for everyday productivity, writing, reasoning, and long conversations. So if you care more about customization and deployment freedom, go with Mistral AI. If you want the smoother overall assistant experience, Cloud AI is probably the better choice. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new comparison video.